Alexa, play music. Hi guys, welcome to the live.
Here's Spotify.
This is my second live for today. Nag-live na ako kanina. So, Alexa, volume 3. Alexa, volume 2. Alexa, play Gracie Abrams. Hi everyone. Kumain na ba kayo? Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Welcome. I just got out of the shower, so sorry ulit if medyo red yung eyes ko. But, sana nag-dinner na kayo. I'm sleeping early tonight, guys. And siguro, I feel like magla-live na ako ganito oras. I feel like mas, mas better para sa bagong sked ko. Joaquin Smith, hello, shout out. Shout out, Matcha Damo. Hello. Di pa ako nag-eat dahil kain na kayo. Maricar, I miss you too. Shout out, Matcha Damo. Hello everyone. Hailey, welcome back. Hailey, are you marupok pa ba? Sana nagbago ka na from our last usap. I miss you guys. You're from Iloilo? Yes, I'm from Iloilo. Maki, hello Maki. Hi Jerlyn, hello Juju. I do. I miss ko na agad kayo kaya I'm live ulit. Agad, di ba? Twice a day, grabe. Ang lakas niyo sa akin. Look, I'm wearing the Gracie shirt. Ang ganda. I'm so happy. But it's okay. Where's Hero and Gel? Hero went home na, pero Gel's behind me. Say hi.
Hi.
Someone kill me. Sold out na concert dito sa Singapore. I know. I'm so sad. Rob, thank you though for helping us look for Gracie tickets. Sa next live na lang. Bawin na ako next live. Malungkot na si Gel. Kaya ang tahimik ni Gel. Diba? Making a man, the shit never ends. I'm wrong again the way. Hindi ka magdagyang, no guys. I'm not going home to Iloilo for the nagyang because I have school. Pero gusto ko talagang umuwi. Stay a little longer ni Rose. So good. I love that song. Kilawa, congrats guys. Mag-congrats tayo kay Kilawa. Successful yung demo niya. I'm so proud of you. Diyan ka sa buong Kuyawaki. I'm in Manila, in my condo. Pumiyat Kawaki. Thank you. Do you and Sai still talk? Yes, of course. Hindi na daw marupok si Hailey. Buti naman. Buti naman. Think about it on face all the time. Pag ilang gabi, ano gusto mo ang balon ko? Can you give me advice for mixed signals? Mixed signals is no signal at all. No, mixed signals means no. Ano no signal? Mixed signals means no. I feel like pag sure yung tao sa'yo, papakita nila yan, di ba? So pag mixed signals, it means siguro hindi pa sila sure. I miss you, Justin! Bestie ko! Sorry, hindi ko nasabi about yung stuffed toy. Okay lang yan, guys. Alam nyo kanina, nag-unbox ako ng mga Shopee packages. Tapos, ang dami kong talagang Shopee packages na siguro na-check out ko nung like lasing ako kasi hindi ko maalala. So, nung nag-unbox ako kanina sa live, may malaking stuffed toy. Tapos sabi ko, grabe, ganito ba ako kalasing nung nag-check out ako? Pero it was a gift pala from the fans. Tapos ang funny kasi papagiveaway ko sana kasi sabi ko, like, I don't remember ordering this. So, nag-announce na ako, guys, i-giveaway ko yung stuffed toy. Pakita ko sa inyo. And then, may nag-comment, gift pala siya galing sa fan. So, thank you. I'm so happy. I was saying it's so cute. Pero hindi ko maalala na check out ko to. Kaya pala, gift siya ng fan. Cool. Happy birthday, Arian Dani. Happy birthday. Hi, Wagi from Iloilo here. What's up? Tama ko bala Ilonggo viewers. Mayo na. Pero duga nakadaan, wala ka puli. So, nakuha mo na yung cake. Yes, it's in the fridge. Hindi ko pa na-check. Yan na. Kuya Waki, sabi nila na pag nagtatagalog daw yung Ilonggo may tono daw. Totoo ba? Guys, meron ba akong Ilonggo na tono when I speak Tagalog? Meron ba? Are you still with Hero and Gel? I'm with Gel na lang. Umuwi na si Hero. Meron ba akong tono? Meron ba? There's tono ba? Na Ilonggo. Is Noah sleeping? Where's Noah? Oh yeah, look. Cutie. Antok siya. Why Feel ko may konting accent pa ako. Tonong Konyo, hindi tonong Ilonggo. Okay. What's better kaya? More of Konyo. Okay. It's almost your birthday. Totoo ba? 4 months pa. Kailan ba birthday ko? Who knows my birthday dito? I don't think a lot of people know my birthday. Kailan ba? Alam daw ni Gel. Alam nyo. Kailan ba? May 5! Alam nyo! Thank you, guys. Ang dami nako-comment dito na I should go home for dinagyang. Oh, ang dami comments! Guys, kung libre na yung ticket, G talaga ako. Pero ang mahal din ng ticket and I have school. Sinta, hello Sinta. May 5. To everyone na nag-comment May 5, mahal kita. Thank you for remembering my birthday. Alam mo kayo, diba? Tapos ngayon, mag-isa na lang siya sa kama, kumakanta ng I miss you, I'm sorry. Diba?
I still love you, I promise. Every corner of this house is haunted, and I know.
Guys, imagine. Umalis si Hero 30 minutes ago lang, ganyan na siya. 30 minutes lang. Ewan ko.
Everything I know brings me back to us.
Ako kasi, sanay na ako when I miss someone. Sanay na ako. I just always miss someone. So, hindi na ako ganyan. Fred Rose, thank you for the gifts. Guys, thank you for all the gifts. Irish, I miss you, Irish! I haven't seen you in so long. Sino yung miss mo, Dad? Secret! Gabing sapa. Top part shot. Guys, trust me, gusto ko sana nasa Iloilo ako ngayon. Sana. In your circle, who would you consider the best trio including you? Me, Bella, and Gel. Iconic trio. Ang tanong, miss ka ba? Diba guys? Guys, stop asking me, miss mo. Yung tanong is, miss ba ako? Okay. Hero left the chat. Hero is also there in my heart. Ang hirap I can't choose between my friends. Lahat na lang kami. Tanong nga natin. Gel! Ba't pa kasi ako natanggap sa trabaho, hindi ko natuloy mapanood live mo? Uy, okay lang yan. Magla-live naman ako almost every day. Guys, nag-live na ako 2 times today. And then I live the other day. Oh, nagbabago na ako para sa inyo. How's life been? Solace, how's life been for you? I miss you. I haven't seen you in so long. My condolences ulit I've missed you here. Hello, kanina ka pa? No, okay, kaka-live ko lang. Like, 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago. Hi, Cherry. Jack, thank you, bro. I like your eyes. Thank you. I'm kinda antok na kaya yung eye bags ko. Lagay tayo ng... Let's continue my skincare, actually. Eye repair. Jack is here, pero ibang Jack. O yung tahimik na kaya ni Germany. I wish him the best. Akala ko nga hindi kita maaabutan. I wasn't able to watch your live earlier. I have a lot of Irish. That's okay. Don't worry. Okay, Solas, I'm glad. May pasok na ba kayo? Actually, guys, 8 AM yung class ko bukas. So, quick live lang to. Gusto ko lang mag-hi sa mga people na hindi nakanood sa live ko kanina. Kasi medyo maaga ako nag-live kanina. I think like... What time ba ako nag-live kanina? Mga 5 PM, no? 5 to 6, ganun. Or 4 to 6. Yeah, something like that. Waki, kumusta si Cholo? Cholo is in his healing era. Cholo's in his folklore era. Being alone, self-isolating. Pero we had a movie night. Me, Debbie, Cholo, and Bella, nag-movie night kami kagabi. Hey Tiffany, hello. This road lip balm, guys, it tastes so good. So good. Hello, Waki. Second live today. Love you. Time mo lang work. Chell, welcome back. I love you too. Where'd you get your headband? This is from the fans. From you guys. Thank you so much. Ang laki na ng katawan ni Jack. Feel ko kinikilig si ewan ka dyan. Dissing Bella na. Me too. You know what? Si Cholo and Bella, hindi talaga nila bet mag-live. Like, they realize na parang hindi nila... Yeah, parang it's not their thing lang. And I respect that. Kaya, ayoko na pipilitin ko sila mag-live. Waki, what if kumanta si Gracie Abrams sa Malacanang? I-idolize mo pa ba siya? Gel, someone asked me if Gracie will sing sa Malacanang, will we idolize her pa? Hard question.
Tawagan mo na lang siya.
Tawagin.
Di ba close kayo?
Use your ring finger. Yeah, actually, oh nga no. That's true. I've heard that tip. Thank you, Neverland. Waki, can you recommend a drink? What kind of drink ba? Sad ka ba? Kung sad ka, yung i-recommend ko is Funda, Empe, or kung happy ka, Funda, Empe. Joke. Hindi na ako lasingero, guys. Dami kasing toxic si Cholo. What do you mean? Toxic viewers? Yeah. Meron. Pero, ang dami naman nagmamahal kay Cholo. Or Alfo. Yeah, actually, okay. Okay. Alfonso, Funda, or Empe. You know what? I grew up with Empe sa province. You know, in Manila, they call it MP. Sabi ko, social nyo naman sa province. What, Gel, in Palawan, what did you call it? Empe or MP?
Emperador. Buo.
Emperador. In Iloilo kasi we call it Empe. And then in Manila, it's MP.
Why Empe?
Empe, Emperador.
Oo nga, Emperador.
Pero in Manila, it's MP, no? But anyway, I feel like hindi ako magsasawa ever sa Empe. Or MP. Or whatever. MP. But I also like Primera. Ayan. Alfonso pa rin. Actually, you know what? Honestly, pag lasing ka na, they all taste the same.
That's true.
So, di ako masyadong picky. Pero, you know what, guys? Lately ko lang na-appreciate yung beer. Like, dati hindi ako beer drinker. I don't like drinking beer talaga. Hindi ko get yung mga tao na umiinom ng beer. But, lately, na-appreciate ko siya because of Gel.
Wow. Thanks.
So, now, kaya ko na mag-San Mig Apple. San Mig Apple lang yung kaya ko. Hindi ka nag-gin bilog? A few times I have. Pero, not lately na. Kasi lately yung iniinom namin is like Jaeger na or Patron or, you know, mga free drinks sa club. Kasi hindi na kami nagbabayad. Kasi libre lang naman sa club because minsan nag-event kami doon like mansion, libre yung drinks so hindi kami makapili. But if I was gonna chill nom lang with friends, yung go-to namin is Red Horse for the boys. And then, for mga cute, mga GSM, ganun. Yes, Riz, I received it, Riz. Thank you so much. Couldn't coin a bit. I received it na, pero it's not with me right now. But I will unbox it on live tomorrow because wala lang, gusto ko lang bukas kasi I'm gonna long live tomorrow. Kaya quick live lang to eh. But Riz, thank you for the cake. Excited na ako. I love you. Pogi pa kiss. Actually, alam niyo, nagustuhan ko talaga yung angle kanina. Like, naka-live tayo na natural lighting. That was really nice, ah. Feel ko mas fresh ako pag natural yung lighting. Wait, don't have to leave the apartment. Sipag mag-live, di ba? Ano ba lasa ng alak? Actually, di ko alam eh. Narinig ko lang na ito yung masarap, ganun. Okay, what's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is go to ko sa cafe, matcha latte or horchata, which is like cinnamon milk made out of rice milk. Sarap. But if not matcha or horchata, tea. I love tea. I have a tea collection. But pag cold na drinks, syempre Gluta-Lipo, bro. No, pero legit, lemonade. I love lemonade. And of course, Gluta-Lipo. Diba? Kamukha mo talaga si Vico Soto. And water! Actually. I love water. I'm always drinking water. Sipag mag-live, bigyan ng kiss yan. Kiss mo nga ako. If you could write a book about your life, what would the title be? I feel like the title of my book would be Long Story Short, because it's like after my favorite Taylor Swift song, and it means about like surviving after everything you've been through. I feel like that's a good title. What made you realize that you need to drink water more? Wala lang. I just always grew up kasi drinking water talaga. Also kasi nagda-diet ako, and guys, kung nagda-diet kayo, yung number one tip ko talaga, inom kayo, like drink water all the time kasi you're gonna be busog and you're gonna feel like satisfied. Hindi kayo magka-crave. That's also why. Kumain ka na ba? Yes, kumain na kami, Miguel. We had lechon paksiw for dinner. Ang sarap. Hindi pa ubos yung Gluta ICS. Okay lang yan. It's good nga na parang medyo stretched out yung time. Like, for me guys, I recommend na huwag kayo mag-Gluta-Lipo everyday. I think it's better if like every other day. Para hindi kayo masyadong kawawa sa toilet. Bye, Solas. No worries. Thank you. Finish the sentence. I'm working on accepting. Uy. I'm working on accepting that I can't please everyone. I'm working on accepting na sometimes no matter how good you are to people, people will always have something bad to say about you, and that's life, diba? Kaya ayoko na mag-explain about all the rumors and issues dito sa TikTok because at the end of the day, like, no one really knows what's going on. Gumagawa lang sila ng sariling assumption, and kahit ilang explain ko pa, people will always say things. So yeah, ina-accept ko na lang. If you weren't doing what you are now, what alternate path you would have taken? If I wasn't making content and doing this, or if I wasn't taking my course right now, I would do film. I think I would want to do film. Like, I want to be a creative director or direct. So still creative, but yeah. I love you guys so much. To everyone who's supporting me and who nagde-defend sa akin if they see bad comments, thank you so much. Like, it means so much to me talaga kasi like, hindi ako masyadong nagsuscroll sa TikTok. So, hindi ko makontrol or matrack like kung may issue ako or if people are saying this about me. Like, magugulat na lang ako after ilang days na hindi ako nakapag-live. Like, pag-live ko yung bungad sa akin na sa daming issue, blah, blah. It's like, thank you to the people na who are defending me, saying wala akong alam and ang tahimik ng buhay ko and I have no issues with anyone and nothing's happening. So, thank you guys. I love you. Dahil mo sa mga Jejemon. Yeah, ang dami nilang lately, no? Ang dami Jejemon lately. I love you, Waki. Kahit puro delete ka sa broadcast channel mo. Alam nyo, gusto ko kasi maging low-key and aesthetic. Pag masyadong maingay, hindi na aesthetic yan, bro. Joke lang. May sariling story. Gumagawa nga sila ng AU. Diba? Grabe talaga yung commitment nila sa AU. Tinotoo yung yung mga plotline. Sure, Prof. Leo, I love you. Thank you for that. That's so nice of you to say. I might make it easy. The time should never really leave it. Like that. Ayan. There, I made you moderator. Thank you guys. And you know what? I don't want to like come on here and pretend to be a victim and act like things are happening na hindi naman. Like, I'm not gonna go on live and cry about how things are happening to me when nothing's really happening to me, unlike some people. But you know, I just appreciate everyone who I don't even have to explain myself. They just understand. Thank you. I love you guys. And again, I want to explain to everyone, like, I keep saying this every live, but Sai and I are okay. We're so okay. And, you know, it gets hard to be okay when there's a lot of comments. So, you know, I hope this is the last time I have to explain myself because I'm chill. Like, I'm going to school. I'm hanging out with my friends. I'm working, you know, and I feel like some of you also need to start touching some grass, getting jobs, getting back in touch with reality na yung buong mundo nyo dapat hindi centered around, you know, an idea of you have two people. Yun lang. That's all I want to say, and I love you guys so much. Also, shout out to Kenneth from Japan. Guys, I'm addicted to this. Ito na yung bagong addiction ko. Grabe, yung pinadala ni Kenneth sa akin, like everything. Kenneth, if you're watching, I haven't seen Kenneth in a long time, pero screen record niyo to para kay Kenneth. Kenneth, grabe. Life-changing yung lip balm na pinadala mo sa akin galing Japan. Thank you so much. I love you. Grabe. Thank you. Iba to eh. Yes, thank you. I'm so happy. These are my favorite type of people who watch me and Sai because sila talaga yung totoong kinsay na they're supporting me and Sai both, you know? And I'm not ever gonna come on live and make parinig about Sai or kunwari hindi ko mababasa yung comment para lalaki yung issue. Hindi ako ganyan. Like I've always said before na Sai and I are okay. I don't want anyone to hate him. And I don't know about other people, but I've been saying that. And I've never let a live pass na hindi ko dinedefend si Sai. So, I don't know, but kaya hindi ko gets kung saan galing yung mga comments na things are happening. Kasi kayo lang naman you guys are the ones making kwento something that things are happening. And I'm like, what? So, come on guys. But I love you all. Yeah. Thank you, Sinta. I love you. And I'm so obsessed with this lip balm. Grabe. Medicated siya eh. So alam mo like, totoo talaga siya. And yung lips ko, grabe, kissable talaga. Kaya, ano ba kailangan ko sa skincare? Ito, last step ko, yung Oxycure. Half drunk, happy. Ano plans for tonight? I'm gonna end the live at 9 p.m. and then I'm gonna work, guys. I have work to do. And then I'm gonna try to sleep at 12 midnight. By 11, dapat tinake ko na yung melatonin ko para gigising ako ng 7 tomorrow because I have 8 a.m. class. So, yeah. Back to schoolboy era na ako. So mga people na balik pasok, na balik duty, guys, gets ko kayo, nakakatamad talaga kasi syempre January and galing tayo sa December, chill lang tayo, you know, so gets ko medyo tamad pa ako din eh, but kaya natin to because we're doing it together. Oh, is Gal gonna go live? Gal, are you gonna go live? Tomorrow siya. Hero will go live. I think Hero will go live soon. So, pag end ko ng live, punta kayo sa live ni Hero, guys. Kasi siya magta-take over for tonight's shift. Sa mga anak namin. Because ang dami nag-comment talaga na we miss you guys. So, gumawa na kami ng schedule. Dapat every day, one of us will live. Either me, Gel, or Hero. So, tonight, ang swerte nyo, dalawa kami ni Hero mag-live. Yeah, Juju, I love you. Ang daming nagtatanong pala, Juju, kung saan galing to. Saan mo daw binili? Share mo daw sa kanila. Irish, belated Irish. Ito yung birthday greeting mo. Irish, I'm so sorry. Hindi ko pala alam na birthday mo nung 7. Belated happy birthday. I love you, Miss Nakita. See you soon. Ayoko nga. Gina-gatekeep pala ni Ate Juju, guys. Sorry. Gina-gatekeep niya. Secret lang. I hate school. Me too. Grabe, guys. Nakakatamad talaga, no? Kaya, gets ko kayo. I want to see you in person, Waki. Sana may meet and greet ka rin tulad kay Sai. Guys, grabe. Alam niyo, sobrang galing talaga ni Sai kasi may energy talaga, may energy pa siya gumawa ng meet and greet. So, for me, guys, honestly, wala akong team and wala akong like management na gagawa talaga ng ganyan. So, siguro wait lang muna tayo until chill ako sa school, until yung podcast, okay na. Yung priority ko talaga ngayon is podcast, yung branded content ko, live, and school. So, yung mga meet and greets soon. When give me time lang kasi I'm doing this all by myself and I'm still learning how to do it din. But I want to meet you guys talaga. Oh yeah. Do something funny. I can change my mind. Thank God. Nakapunta na kayo sa Dumaguete? No. Nakakahiya na pumasok. Sobrang dami ko ng absent. Yun din yung iniisip ko last year eh. Alam mo, dapat papasok ka na para at least hindi na madagdagan yung absence mo. Don't make it tambak because don't make tambak. Kasi cycle lang yan. I love you, Maren. Maren, I love you so much. I saw your comment. You're not Gracie Abrams, please. No. She's the love of my life. Kilala mo ba si Dr. Bion? No. Bakit? Sino ba yan? I love you, love wins. Sian, good luck sa exam mo. Joy Smith, I love you. Izella, hello. Welcome back, Izella. I remember you. Anyway. Okay. 9, mag-end ako, guys. I have work to do pa. Kuya, super tambak yung mga schoolworks namin. Ang dami-dami. Tapos bukas na ipasa lahat. Kaya guys, alam niyo yung number one enemy, yung number one kalaban ng mga students na lang. Students is procrastination. Kasi wala ka ng gana, so mag-delay mo yung schoolwork mo. And then you're gonna be tambak. And then mas wala kang gana kasi mas malaki yung workload mo. Mas marami yung backlog. Cycle lang talaga yan. Kaya if I were you guys, tapusin nyo na lahat na kailangan yung tapusin para, you know, hindi madagdagan yung cycle. Kasi mas mawalaan ka talaga ng gana pag mas marami pa. Planet B. Oh, I don't know that. Doctor ba siya? Like, medical? I love you, Tubbs. Hype on you, fan here. Welcome, Mariel. I miss you, Mariel. Magdinagyang ka. Guys, ang dami comments. Ang dapat magdinagyang ako. I have class. Pero gusto ko talaga umuwi. Kung pwede lang. Kung pwede lang. Kung pwede lang talaga, uuwi talaga ako, guys. Isha, shout out. JB, hello. Mark Garcia, hello. Aiza, hello. Hyacinth, I'm good. Excited to see you in your sablay. Siguro iiyak talaga ako pag like nakasablay na ako. I love how you both grow individually and in your own unique way. So proud of you. Pakis na. Hello, I love you. You know what? I really like comments like this. I love comments like this. It makes me happy. I love you, hello. Hating school per pinili ko to HRM pa more. Dude, HRM din ako. And ito yung first sem ko na ang dami kong major. So, tingnan natin kung mamahalin ko yung course ko. Kasi 'di ba pag like first 2 years, first few semesters, medyo ano pa, hindi like general subjects. So, ito talaga yung first sem na ang dami kong majors. And I'm nervous, pero kakayanin. Hello po, first time ko po kayo mapanood mag-live. Iron, ewan ko sa'yo. If you could swap lives with anyone for a day, I would swap lives with Taylor Swift. And then when I'm in Taylor Swift's life, I would send 10 million pesos to my bank account. Diba? And I'll leak Rep TV. Anita from Kuwait, magaling siya kumaldag. Gusto ko magkita. Shout out Anita from Kuwait na magaling kumaldag. Sana you'll make kaldag sa akin soon. I love you. As a computer science student, nagkakapagod. I'm sure. But 10 million lang. Sige. Not 10 million. 10 billion pesos. Ayan. I would swap lives with Taylor Swift, send myself money. And listen to all her songs. Yung jacket, I wear it almost every day, Kenneth. Thank you so much, Kenneth! Ikaw yung topic ko kanina. Yung lip balm kasi yung topic ko. Tapos sabi ko, shout out kay Kenneth from Japan. As in, I finished one already. And nilalagay ko to every day. Thank you so much. And yung jacket, I wear it a lot, of course. Thank you, Kenneth. I love you. Nasa laundry ata siya ngayon. I love you, Kenneth. Miss na kita. Yeah, I hope to meet everyone din dito. Did you just finish taking a shower? Yes, sir. Pag ma-shoutout ako nito, matutulog ako ng maaga. Huwag na. Sino ka ulit? Pupuyat tayo. Joke lang. Tutulog din ako ng maaga. Janisa, shoutout, tulog ka na. Ma-meet kaya in this lifetime? You know, ewan ko sa'yo, Mariel. I'm waiting. I'm here. May rhinitis ko po. I have rhinitis. Can you tell? Medyo may laman yung nose ko ngayon eh. Magpuyat at mag-werewolf. Wag na! Wag na, may class na ako, guys. Tapos na yung puyat era ko. Pag Monday night and Wednesday night and Friday night, I cannot puyat. Kasi I'm maaga pa the next day. So, I have to take care of my body din. If you could have dinner with 3 people, alive or dead, who would they be? I would have dinner with Jesus, the devil, ooh, drama, and Fiang. Yeah. That's who I would want to have dinner with. Para, ala, paano kaya no? God and the devil at dinner. Drama! Magla-live ako guys habang nag-dinner kami. Don't worry. Waki, miss ko na i-rap mo. What if i-rapan mo kami? Tien shout out. Isa the editor. I love you, Isa the editor. I miss you. I don't see you na sa lives ko. Ano gagawin ni Fiang doon? Wala lang. Vibes lang. Pero may kasama din ako, di ba? As always, madaling kausap. Give a random life advice, Waki Boo. Ano, dami kong advice eh. The first thing that pops into my mind is siguro don't, like every time you get through something na akala mo hindi mo pala kayang daanin. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? I'm just guessing here na. If you're going through something in your life and you feel like hindi mo kaya, remember all the times that you went through something na hindi mo kaya, and then you'll remember now, oh, I got through all that shit pala before, so moving forward, I can get through anything. That's it. Also, random life advice. Check out mo na yan. Oh. Ito yung picture ko. Kabit sa CR ko. I removed it na. But it was there for a while. Honestly, it was there for a while. Like, I think 1 week. Give Hopecore advice. Gagawa ba kayo ng Hopecore edit? No, you guys should... I want someone to make a Hopecore edit sa akin while calling out yung mga bashers ko. Gusto ko yan. Also, honest review pala ng ano ko, di ba? Nag-unbox tayo ng mga TikTok shop finds ko. Guys, I tried the new earphones, these U-Green ones. 1K lang to. Grabe. Sobrang high quality. Like, para siyang yung Apple AirPods na Pro. Like, AirPods Air... What's it called again? Yung the headphones of Apple? Gel?
Huh?
What do you call the headphones of Apple ulit? AirPods Max?
Yeah.
AirPods Max ba? Yeah, no? Ang ganda nito. 1K lang. I will link it in my yellow basket, guys. But, ang ganda. And, my 3 mode siya, noise cancelling. It feels so good. Kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng headphones for gym or habang nagbibiyahe. So, this is perfect. If ayoko mag-wired. I need motivation to review. Nax Yellow Basket, diba? In my TikTok affiliate era. Wala lang. Para may excuse din ako to just keep shopping, diba? If gusto nyo rin. I can, and the thing is, guys, I'm not gonna bullshit you. Kung pangit talaga yung product, sasabihin ko talaga. Like, alam mo yung nasal strips na viral sa TikTok ngayon na nilalagay nyo dito? Actually, may difference naman. Pero super konti lang. Medyo mahal na siya eh. But, may difference naman siya. Baka I need to sleep lang muna and test it out. But, yeah. I'll be honest, guys. Don't worry. These are the Yugi. Can I lagay a yellow basket kaya? Try ko nga, guys. I actually don't know what I'm doing. Or paano, like, to get commission. But let me try it right now, actually. I'm gonna add a product. Let me know if lumabas siya. Add more products. Can you see it? Can you see it ba? That's so cool! Guys, I did that myself. First time. Natutuwa. Are you so aliw, ha? Guys, don't check out. I just wanted to try it. But, huy, nagche-check out sila. Don't check out. Ano ba? How do I remove this? Guys, I'm not on live to sell things to you, ha? I'm not. No pressure. Gusto ko lang i-share. Should I remove it ba? You know what? I'll leave it muna. But, yeah. Will I get commission from that? I don't know how it works, actually. I don't understand.
I think you need a
Affiliate code. Oh, so I'm not gonna get commission for this. But, guys, if you want to buy it, I recommend it. Because I was genuinely looking for headphones. Kasi diba alam nyo, lagi ako naka-wired earphones kahit sa gym. Like, mga thirst traps ko sa gym, I'm wearing wired earphones. So, these are really nice. And the best part is, my noise cancelling din siya. So, I don't have to hear moaning from Gel and Hero.
Huh? Goa.
So, I can sleep peacefully at night now.
Nagsasabi mo dyan, gawa.
Joke lang. Tinitiis ko lang si Gel, guys. So, if you wanna... okay. Anyway. Yes, you will not. But it's the best mag-call and cut to gain. Oh, okay. Okay. But guys, okay lang if I don't get commission. I just wanna share it with you naman. But yes. Also sa... Anyway, I won't talk na din. Oh, and look, you can adjust it. And then you can also do that. And then... It's like a matte finish. Woo! Seller! Hashtag let him sell. And then, I have... There's these buttons din. Ganda. And it looks expensive. Anyway, I'll leave it there, but no pressure, guys. I'm not selling the earphones. Wala akong commission. What eye serum can you reco? Actually, the best eye serum I've ever used is the one from La Mer. Pero hindi siya masyadong affordable kasi international brand siya. But pag local brand, I like yung Cyposkin na eye patches. Cyposkin, it's really nice. But right now, I'm using the Neutrogena. I think kay Hero to. And naiwan niya dito. Basta may retinol. Kasi yung, guys, if you want to lighten your under eyes or dark spots, you have to find retinol in the product. Because retinol, like, removes the uneven parts of skin tone nyo. Like, this eye cream has retinol. So, I would recommend this, Neutrogena. And a lot of the Cyposkin products have like niacinamide, retinol. That's what you should look for then. Like this one. This Cyposkin brightening gel cream. I use it. Moisturizer siya pero whitening din. Kasi may niacinamide. Okay, anyway. Wag naman tayo mag-live selling ngayon. Guys, ano ba? Oh, okay, Prof. Leo. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am Mr. Affiliate. Ewan ko sa inyo. Oh, totoo ba? I have 70 pesos. Guys! Thank you. Grabe naman. Ang apakadamot naman 1-1 yung 1-1 yung earphones. Tapos 70 pesos lang. Alam mo, I won't promote it na lang. Lugi ako dito. Huy! But anyway, guys. I promise from now on, like I'll be honest about yung mga yellow basket finds ko. Ayaw pa sa 70. May commission pala 70 lang. Ganda ng brows mo. Thank you. I want to shout out the Secret Lounge QC for doing my brows. Grabe sila. I just said, can you fix my brows? Tapos, wow. Ganda. Sila yung sponsor ko, so thank you. Secret Lounge QC. And yung maganda dyan is walking distance lang din siya sa condo ko. So, at my vouchers available. Wow! Okay, magbebenta nga ako dito. Guys, if you check the yellow basket, mayroon vouchers po dyan. In my Ate Jenny era. Oy, Prof. Leo, thank you. How you're really helping me. Ate Jenny, watch out. Grabe. Natatakot na siya. Kinakabahan na si Ate Jenny. Si Ansu Store. Gawin natin Wacky Store. Wacky Store PH. Di ba no, babe? I love you. Shout out Von Felipe, the editor. Thank you. Shout out sa'yo. I love you. Tanda rin ni Noah. Diba, grabe, ang laki niya. Dati guys, Noah can fit here lang sa neck ko. Ngayon, ang laki niya. My baby is growing. But yeah. Commercial po muna ng product. Ito siya guys. So, ito po yung binibenta po natin ngayon. Nakapin po dyan sa baba. Ang ganda nito kasi guys, 18 to 24 hours battery life siya. For 20 minutes charge lang. So, imagine 20 minutes, kaya na yan po for 1 day straight. Kahit mag-gym, kahit nasa school, kahit mag-duty. Okay to. Oh, naka-headphones habang nag-duty. Pwede ba yan? Tama na yan. Wag na. Reds Mendoza from Singapore, I love you. Shout out sa'yo. Bongga na isa. Wag na nga. Guys, kaya pa kadamot no, 70 pesos lang. Ayaw pa sa 70. In fairness tabi, I know, gulat ako guys. I wasn't trying to kasi sa alam ko, I can't make kwento about yung binili ko pag walang yellow basket. So, ayan, for safety. Pero, prines ko lang. I don't know naman talaga how to get the commission and stuff. 9 PM na. Where did you get the name Noah? I got it from Noah Khan, one of my favorite singers. Glad the Americans are back on TikTok. Diba? Grabe, nung naban yung US sa TikTok, yung FYP ko nagiging... Ayoko na magsalita. Basta hindi naging maganda yung FYP ko. Cutie pie. Baby ko. Baby ko. Baby ko. Baby ko. I'm so giggle with Noah. Hanggang ngayon, nagigigil pa ako sa kanya. Guys, huwag kayong mag-check. I'm not trying to benta ha. Sinishare ko lang talaga yung finds ko. If you want to check out, go ahead. Go lang. But yeah, honest review to. One of my favorite finds. I even let Gel try it kanina. Ganda. And it's so sleek. Like, it's super, Kasi I actually bought yung tag 300 na headphones. Grabe, like, ang dalinya... Hello? Ang dalinya masira. So, this one's nice. Like, medyo mahal nga siya, but at least you're investing in something that will last long. Wait, nagbebenta na talaga, oh. Anyway, guys. Prof. Leo, you're such a good moderator, ah. Good first day. I love you. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm gonna end the live now kasi nahiya na ako na ang dami nag-check out. But, thank you. What if... Should I just tuloy the live selling? You know what? Try ko nga. I'm also gonna pin the shirt. Baka you guys wanna know where I got this Gracie Abrams shirt. I'll pin it na lang. Hala, I'm so aliw right now, guys. Pabigyan niyo na ako. First time ko eh. Wait. Ito. Gagag yung saya. Ito pala yung feeling mag-live selling. Add more products. Purchased products. Ayan, did you guys see it na ba? Where do we go now? Wait. Ano pa pwede ko i-add dito? Add ko na lang kaya yung tissue din, no? Why not? That's so funny! What does it look like, guys? What does it look like sa live? Gel, can you go on my live and see what it looks like? Guys, I'm so aliw. This is so
watching right now.
This is so fun. What are you watching?
This girl catching eels.
Look at the live Gel is watching.
I've been watching.
Catching catching eels in the mud. Uy, I wanna watch that din.
Watching for 20
Gawin ko kaya yan next live. Let's catch some eels. Can you see?
Shopping. Yeah.
Oh, no way. That's so cool. Anyway, this is the back of the shirt. This is the back of the shirt. Ganda ng tela. And the print is so nice. Like, actually, guys, kahit hindi kayo Gracie Abrams fan, imagine this with like white pants. Imagine baggy white pants and sneakers. Diba? Vibe. Ang ganda ng print. It looks so classy. Imagine, no? White pants. Wala lang seller era, bro. Make sure you show the products. Okay, sige, yes. Yes. Tissue. Should I show the tissue? Syempre, that's everyone's favorite tissue. So, hindi ko na ipakita, but alam na yan. Taylor Swift shirt po meron. People are actually asking me questions, bro. I don't know, but check nyo na lang. This is so nakakaaliw naman. Are people buying? Pin. Ayan. There. Para matchy na tayo sa Gracie Abrams. Headphones and shirt done, check out. No way. That's so cool. Guys, no need to buy. No need to buy. I'm just testing it, okay? No need to buy. Anong size ng sa'yo? This is large. For extra large for reference. Oh, for reference, yung seller po sinusuot niya is XL. 6'2" yung 6'2" yung seller for reference. 6'2" extra large. So for reference, guys, 6'2" ako. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the live in a bit because this is so nakakahiya, but thank you. This is fun. You know what? This is actually a good way for me to keep shopping. Para at least I can say, no, bibilhin ko to kasi share ko sa viewers ko. Hala, delikado na to para sa shopping addiction ko. Oh guys, may vouchers and free shipping pa, so go na kayo. Prof Leo, wow! I love you! Thank you! Yes, guys. Actually, siguro same din siya sa every time I live sell for Glutalipo. There are exclusive vouchers and discounts that kailangan niyo siya i-claim from my yellow basket. So, dinami mo pa kami sa paggastos mo. Kayo yung reason ko. Ba't gagastos na ako ulit? Yes, guys, and yeah, that's such a good idea. Someone commented, post your review, guys. If ever lang na you're gonna post a story on IG, tag me. I wanna see what it looks like on you. A random Mawaki. Oh, diba? Sobrang random. Gusto ko lang itry, pero kaya pala. Guys, madali lang pala magbenta. Like, pin mo lang. Show it lang. Grabe. Asan po yung 6'2" dito po? Dito. 6'2". So, if 5'9" ka, ganito, kawawa ka na ba? 6'2" ako eh. So, kung 5'9" ka, siguro yung suggestion ko po is large. Joke. Misleading yung seller. Baka maban ako dito. Guys, I'm 5'9". And I'm wearing extra large. Because I like it medyo oversized. I'm not 6'2". I'm 6'2" in my mind, in my dreams. But, seryosong sagot, ayan, 5'9" XL ako. And I'm 70 kilos. So, yeah. Andiyan po ba si Hero? No, umuwi na siya. Birthday kasi ng tatay niya, so umuwi siya sa South. 5'8" ka. No, 5'9" ako. Pabigyan mo na lang ako, guys. Isang ano lang yan. 5'9" hindi talaga. Ewan ko sa inyo, mga bullies kayo. Binubully niyo ako, 6'5" ka para sa akin, Mariel. Kaya ikaw talaga yung totoong asawa ko. Tapos, next week, guys, magbibenta na ako ng mga bench na damit. Ako na yung bagong... kilala niyo yan? Yung lalaki na nagbebenta ng bench. Tapos grabe yung pabakat niya. Gawin ko din kaya yan. No! Nagigil ako sa'yo! Ow! Putang ina. Noah, ang sakit ah. Lagi na dagdagan height mo. No, I've always been 6'2", guys. Hala, sakit yan ah. "5'7", hindi ako 5'7". Hindi talaga. 5'8", sige, fine. Pero 5'9" talaga ako. Final answer. Nakakatangkad pala yung shirt. Diba? Tapos nakakatangkad siya. Ang mura lang. Kaya mag-check out na kayo. Ewan ko. Kung sa inyo. Ate Jenny! Nandito ba si Ate Jenny? Ate Jenny, I'm live selling. I'm inspired by you. First time ko to, Ate Jenny. Sana proud ka sa akin. Tinatry ko lang. Biglaan lang to. Ikaw na lang kaya bilhin namin. Bakit wala si Gel sa Yellow Basket? Bakit daw wala ka sa Yellow Basket, Gel?
Hindi daw po for sale eh.
Hindi siya for sale. Pero available ba?
Hindi na to eh.
Hindi na. May label ba?
Error po yung page.
Hala, error yung page. Nag-crash yung Yellow Basket. Yung wacky kisehan, pa-flex ng Gel. Pa-flex daw ng Gel. That's all not. Thank you, Prof. Leo. Wacky, what if try to compile your poems and publish? Bili kami agad. Would you guys actually buy my poems? That would be so nice. Ang dami kong plano. Tapusin ko kaya muna yung podcast. Daming plano ni Wacky, no? Di naman natutuloy. Podcast muna. Vlog. First vlog. Kahit isang vlog lang, Wacky, gawin mo. One vlog muna. And then, podcast. Okay? Yun muna. May poem book pa ako. Kala mo naman kaya ko. I'm self-aware. Self-aware talaga ako, guys, na I move slow. Have you read Nikita Hill? No, but actually people have been recommending that to me. And I hate that I don't care of me. Hate the way I don't care. How do I see how many sold? Wow, that's crazy. Guys, I can check. I sold 4.6 thousand pesos on this live. Dude, that's crazy. Thank you, guys. Yes. Thank you, Prof. Leo. Wow, ang galing magmoda. I love you, Prof. Leo. Paan si Alexa sa Yellow Basket. Guys, actually, binili ko siya sa Orange app. 2.5 lang. So, if medyo like may ipon na kayo and gusto nyo na parang sasabihin mo na lang, set an alarm, turn on the lights, play music, call a friend, or ganun. 2.5 lang siya, Orange app. Search yun lang. Alexa. Yun lang. Orange app. Pwede din sa Purple app. Wala na akong wala na akong commission dyan. Just sharing. I don't wanna gatekeep. Can you recommend a book? Ooh. A good book. Okay, sige. Pag fiction, I recommend, The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Pag like self-help book, Atomic Habits. Kasi I'm reading it now with Bella. I like it so far. I think everyone should read that book, Atomic Habits, kung gusto niyo maging productive. But that Evelyn Hugo book, but yeah. Anyway, guys, okay, final. I'm gonna end at 9:15. 50 Shades! Grabe, kinky mo naman, Maku. Shout out, Donel. Ilonggo ka pala, Donel. Ikaw nagko-comment lagi ng mga magandang questions. Shout out sa'yo, bro. Kasi manu ako. Verity. I've heard of Verity. Parang I've heard that on Book TikTok. But, yeah. 9:15. 2 more minutes, ka-proud. Yeah, you know what? Yan na lang yung isipin ko. Kasi guys, alam nyo, sobrang nahiya talaga ako mag-like benta dito sa TikTok. Kasi I feel like humihingi ako ng pera. And I don't want like my supporters to think na kailangan nila magbili. You know, because I appreciate you all kahit hindi kayo bumibili sa akin. But yeah. Siguro to help the sellers lang din. And para may bonus content din kayo, yung mga reviews ko. Kakasali ko pa lang! May chance ka rin kanina eh. Nag-live din ako kanina. Reading ko talaga 10. Whew! Guys, may gagawin pa ako bukas. Yes, legit reviews lang talaga. Actually guys, you know what I wanna try next? I wanna order like yung mga chicken pastil and yung mga tapa na nasa jar, yung mga... There's also like yung tahong, garlic butter tahong na nasa jar. I wanna make a content where I'm gonna eat like one day of eating food from TikTok shop. And then I'm gonna tag it all sa Yellow Basket on the TikTok and then give an honest review. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-try yung mga chicken pastil na yan. And then I can also make cooking videos. Diba? Sana magawa. Gagawa talaga ako. I will do it. May tayo sa mga Yellow Baskets mo. Oh, okay. Sige. Check ko mamaya. I'll explore nga kasi hindi ko pa masyadong kabisado yung TikTok shop. Live video violation. The live stream contained promotional content that was irrelevant. Okay, diba? Start ko lang mag-live selling, may violation agad. Kailangan ko siyang aralin. But I will do it soon. Hi, baby. Ayan. Oh, okay, so super strict pala sila. Kailangan ko siya flex. Okay, you know what? Lagay ko lang kayo dito. Pero I'm gonna end na, guys. Because I have to do some work pa. But yeah. Gal and I are also gonna write some songs tonight, so yeah, we're excited. Are you ready, Gal?
Yeah.
To write some music? Guys,
Yeah.
since Gal is releasing his music soon, ba't umiyak ako? I'm gonna try to help Gal write some songs. So, let's see. Bye, guys. I love you. Prof. Leo, thank you for all the help tonight. Thank you, guys. Good night. And magla-live si Hero mamaya, okay? So, abangan nyo. Bye, guys. Someone commented this Gal